Okay guys, it's another hot day today. Look at me, no shirt. Go. Go, go. That's not pretty sight. It's super hot today. Like really hot. It's like 85 degrees hot. You guys can see how beautiful the day. That tree's that one. This one is still good. Might have to cut them down. Too hot for everybody. Everybody's complaining. Everybody's, you know, hot. All the animals, all the people, everybody, you know, having a kind of a bad day, but it'll get better. What's this fly? Yeah, so got another vehicle in. This time it's a Jeep. He caught a, yeah, I'll just put these back. He caught a, I don't know, truck hit him, whatever, something happened. It's straight, and the frame is good right here. This is good, support is good. It just kind of, I think it was a semi truck that, I guess that's for the mark from the tire from the semi truck, and then he just pulled him with the bar that's in the back of the trailer probably, and tore that off. But it runs, drives. It's got new tires on it. Really good deal. Look at these tires, brand new. Look at that, brand spanking new. Dry, no rust, clean. We washed the motor and everything, but still have to clean the inside. Just wipe it down and everything. Vacuumed it. Pretty straightforward. Man, it stinks like a dog. Still does. I think I should leave it open. I think I should leave this open. Yeah, I left it closed, but I think I should leave it open because it's hot. They had a dog, and so he probably peed on the seat or whatever. But we cleaned it up. It's nice, clean here, no rust. Got the cover washed. Everything's good. Noah's helping me clean today. Good day, Noah. Supporting the rocking the merch, Mr. Big Merch. We don't have any more shirts. We're out, and no hats. Yeah, no hats, no shirt. We were giving them out.
We have 1,000 bottles though.
He's rocking the. Yeah, we got bottles. Yeah.
Rocking the hobo today.
Hobo today, but
it's my style.
We're just cleaning up and getting some stuff organized. Did you vacuum the upstairs already?
Yes.
Yeah. He's standing like he's taking a passport photo, dude. It's all good, bro. What? You got retainers in?
Yeah. But I got my brace snapped right here. Look.
Yeah. Had an accident. Oh, don't. Leave it. Leave it alone. Yeah, leave it. He has to go back to the dentist and fix it on Monday.
Yeah, they're metal, so nice. They'll hurt if I like do something to them. So.
Oh yeah. Cleaning up and getting ready for what?
For the pool.
First time in this year.
Neighbor's pool. He's
our friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we haven't been there in a long time. I'm gonna have some fun there with my dad. And
do you have the goggles?
Yeah, they're in the house. I was just about to ask you if I should get ready right now.
You should get them, and you need your swim shorts as well.
Yeah.
So you need those, and then we're gonna ride on there on the 4-wheeler, so you have to pull those out. So, and you're not hydrated. Look, you need to hydrate. Water. Go drink some water.
Wash the floor right here.
Oh yeah, I'm already done. Yeah, I'm already done washing it. Just dirty floor. Yeah, it's gotta keep it clean, you guys. Let me see, I spilled some on the wall. Yeah, it's this paint that I did on the walls here. It's like half matte, half gloss, so you can literally wash it if anything. So Noah's taking out 4-wheelers. Yeah, just drive yours out. Leave it on the grass right there. These things have to be moved, buddy, before you do this. Yeah. These things right here. Put this.
Where does this go? I forgot.
This is from the old people's car.
Right now. This is where we found like a million.
In the
stuff.
trunk, yeah. It's a thing for old people. They can't carry groceries, so they have like this. Look, fold it like that, and then this goes up like this.
Whoa!
Look, and then you carry it like this.
That's so cool.
Or like that, like this.
Can we keep it for
Just grab it.
grocery shopping?
Yeah, Grandma has one of these. Put it on top of the cabinet. Lay it down on top of the cabinet. Your grandma, my mom, she has like 2 of those.
I know.
She'll go to grocery store, fill it up.
No. She goes to the market every Saturday.
Yeah, and she'll fill it up and carry it home, or take it home. You got. Okay, let's move it out. You don't know the joke?
It confuses my brain. Why is it so fast?
Oh, which way are you going? There you go. Yeah. Keep turning. You're good. You're gonna hit the car.
Yeah,
You're good. Here you go. Yeah, go. No, don't go too fast. Go slower. Put it on the grass right here. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you always want to have the lights on, you know, because people drive crazy over here. Nobody cares about your, you know,
My dad said we have to put speed bumps in our driveway.
No, not speed bumps. I want to put freaking spikes from the cops.
Okay.
Get mine out. Get mine out. We'll ride over there.
Can you
Mine is full.
Where's that gas?
Yeah, mine is full. Okay, come out. It's good. It's good, bro. Yeah, he's doing good. Yeah, you're good. Come on. Same exact thing. Go ahead. Start turning. Straight. Okay, turn. There you go. Slow, yeah. They're finally out on the sun. Yeah, you can turn it off. Yeah, so we'll close the door. Go ahead and let's close the door, and I need to get ready and stuff, and we're gonna gonna go to swim. Couple hours of fun day, because we always work 24/7. Never get to enjoy ourselves. It's like literally a vacation for us, right? Dirty floors. Yeah. No. Like this has to be. Yeah. Like so. You feel it like that, and then you go one more.
Yeah. I mean,
Right
I may go to the pool because yesterday.
What do you mean May?
Well, no, I'll go, but I don't.
What does
I don't
that
have
mean,
as
May?
much. No, I don't.
You jump in.
I don't have
You
as
jump
much
in, bro.
energy as today because yesterday my church did an event where we went to this place called River Oak Center, and it had a 90-foot slide. It had a zip line, a block.
Well, yeah, but you're not doing it now.
No, I'm
You're
just
doing the
saying,
pool.
like I was jumping in the lake so much time.
you
my
wasted
feet are
that energy.
tired, yeah.
You'll be okay. Your phone, and then we'll turn off the lights. Excited to go. Let me check on that laundry. I got laundry going right here, you guys. You probably had a tour of my shop. I do have laundry. Let me check. Oh, it's done. Oh, okay. Yeah, we got the fan and so yeah, we have the laundry. We just throw in whatever our work clothes. Have the basket over there. Throw it in the washer, dryer, and that's it. Got my coffee maker set up finally. Yeah, I got the milk frother here, the little thing, and then have the coffee maker right there. It's good. Good setup. You mean hang out with
Yeah.
this guy? What's up, bro?
Well, doing rooster eggs is basically.
Oh yeah, they have to do
Look.
this stuff. Oh, the
Don't go close to them. Don't ruin them.
oh, you mean this girl?
Yeah.
Looks like they got water. I don't know what they're. It's just hot for them. That chicken's making
They're like-
drum. Yeah, cause it's hot, dude. Okay, you ready to go?
Yep.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
How's the water?
It's cold.
It's cold? It's cold.
I'll dip in.
Come on.
Oh,
Do a
shoot,
dip.
I got
Do a
water.
dip quick.
I can't.
Do a quick
It's
dip,
cold.
bro. Come on. Do a
It's
quick
cold.
dip. Do a quick dip.
Ready?
Come on, bro.
3.
I'm ready for you.
Stop. Okay.
Whew. That's nice.
No. Let me go on first.
Dude.
Wait, at the same time. Ready? 3, 2, go.
What's up, guys? My hair got messed up. Finally, pool time. How's
too
water? It's cold. It is cold. Okay, I'm gonna get out for a second.
I'm gonna do this. Ready?
Okay,
The
go.
can-
Well,
the can-
not here. Go.
No, the can.
Okay, go.
No, I'm gonna do the banana where my.
Okay,
where
go.
My
I'm filming.
splash
I'm
does
filming.
it.
Go. Whew. Swallow some water. That's the pool time. Hey, buddy, what's up? You good? You look tired.
I'm not. It's just I fell asleep on the floaty a little bit.
I know, it feels good, huh?
I gotta take a sip of water.
You get like a little nap.
That's my. Wait, where's mine?
Your water's, I don't know.
Under your shirt. There's yours. Here, you gotta hydrate.
I already drank my mineral water.
Oh.
What is it called, Noah?
Topo Chico.
Que pasa, wey? Blueberry and hibiscus, way. Fell asleep on the floaty, enjoying the
Bro.
time. That's right. Pool time, you guys.
Yeah.
Awesome time. So officially, the summer has begun, you guys.
The summer has begun a month ago, but it has begun because we went to the pool for the first time. So.
Yeah, well, like official fun, you know.
Because it's actually like getting more hot as the week goes, as the months go by.
Yeah.
Probably like August or July would be the hottest months.
Yeah, it's both. Yeah, August, July, August to September is pretty hot, pretty warm actually.
And then my favorite season of all is fall. Perfect.
I know.
Windy, windy, leaves, everything perfect.
Yeah.
Go on a four-wheeler ride, everything's orange, everything's nice.
Yeah, go hiking.
Summer is just as beautiful though, so not blaming the season.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna finish up the pool day and just hang out more. Go do something. Oh look, that's a lake, dude. I got freaked out, dude. What? Where's mine? Mine is somewhere over there, yeah. Dude, I thought it was somebody standing behind us. Fuck.
Gonna finish the video here. Gonna go do other stuff. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. That notification bell, and we'll see you in the next vlog.
God bless you. Go to church, you guys. Tomorrow's Sunday. Be blessed.
Tomorrow's Communion Sunday, actually.
Is it?
Yeah, I think.
Be good. Stay out of trouble. Love everybody. God bless.
Peace.